We've been working on this project for over 10 years. We've had no support for this other than stuff we could self-generate. But our goal has always been that if this is possible to work, we should try it. And we finally realized that we could probably know whether it would work or not by testing it in dogs. We've had a trial design to test in owners' dogs that are healthy. If we give them this vaccine, will we reduce their cancer risk? Yet after multiple tries with DOD and NIH and others, we couldn't get anybody to fund this trial. And all our plea was that yes, it's very high risk. We do not know if it's going to work, but we do feel even if there's a 5% chance that it might work because of the impact, we should at least try it. And Open Philanthropy was the only organization that actually responded to that rationale. It was going to be the biggest intervention trial of dogs ever. And so it had a lot of firsts in it, so that was something that Open Philanthropy had to deal with. It took them a long time to review it and become familiar with it, and they brought in a lot of outside experts. And they finally decided, in spite of knowing the risk, to give us a try, and I really admire them for that. Now that we have this funding, we can start enrolling this 800-dog trial where half of them will get the vaccine and half of them will get a mock vaccine, and we will monitor them as long as it takes to figure out if there's a difference in the cancer incidence in those two groups. So we will test whether you can prevent cancer with a vaccine. And I'm fairly confident that if we can show that this works in dogs, it'll probably work in people.